Circular function SAC prep, part 1.
So, the function we have measures the height of the tide over time. Tide height is on the y-axis and time is on the x-axis. Just make sure your calculator is in degrees mode since this function has the degrees symbol. First up, sketch the graph. You have a CAS, so this is easy. Next, find the times at which h is equal to 13. From here, we go to the calculator tool and CAS solve for where the function is equal to 13, since h is the y value. It doesn't say to round, so technically you need to give the exact answer form, but in any real SAC or exam, it's highly likely you'll need to round to something like 2 decimal places. Finally, part C. A boat can only leave the harbour when the height is 11 metres or more. When can the boat leave? Remember, height is on the y-axis, so if we make use of our graphing tool, we can see that the boat can only leave the harbour in this region here, since that's where the height is at 11 metres or more. In order to find the times at which the boat can leave, we will just do the exact same thing we did in part B. CAS solve for y equals 11, thus finding the breakpoints for when the boat can leave. Again, it says nothing on rounding, but it's very likely you'll need to do so in the real SAC or exam. So now that we know the time values, we can say that the boat can leave at any time between 0.97 hours and 11.03 hours. Though in reality, you would want to stay away from that upper bound since you will very quickly lose your minimum tide height.
If you found this guide helpful, we have a ton of guides just like this on our website that covers the entire syllabus of math methods all the way to the end of year 12. Link in the comments.